Hi, this is Sue Derby from Shorewest Realtors, and it's time for another edition of Tuesday's 2 Cents Worth. This past week of summer heat is a good reminder to get your place ready for the season, and I have 8 easy tips for you. Number 1, get your air conditioning tuned up by a professional. The middle of a humid Wisconsin summer is no time for an AC failure. Number 2, start up the dehumidifier in your basement if you don't already have it running. Number 3, close off the lower return air vents and open up the upper ones to allow the cooler air to circulate around the house and the hot air to be drawn out through your return. Number 4, dust the ceiling fans and make sure that the blades are in the right position for cooling. Number 5, repair your screens. Number 6, power wash your concrete walks and patio and check the deck for any loose or rotted boards. Reseal it if it's time. Number 7, clean the gutters and downspouts of any leaves left over from fall so that you're ready for the heavy summer rains. And number 8, check your outdoor faucets and hoses for any leaks. A leak close to your house will lead to a wet basement. So Travis and I have lots of helpful tips for you, whether you're preparing for a summer move or you want to protect your home's value and save a few dollars on energy costs. Thanks for tuning in to Tuesday's 2 Cents Worth. This is Sue Derby from Shorewest Realtors, your local realtor ready to work hard for you. If you found these tips helpful, please share them with your friends and family. Thank you.